Here's a simple tip, a video marketing strategy or format to keep in mind when you're pondering what to video next. The concept is AIDA. Some say AIDA, but thanks to the opera, I've got to go with AIDA. Now the acronym stands for attention, interest, decision, action, AIDA. And the strategy is pretty straightforward, right? For a video, you want to grab their attention, get their interest high enough to compel a decision, and then make an offer or a call to action to trigger an action, a specific action. So the first step is attention. And this starts at their first look, right? They'll see your thumbnail with a bold statement and a strong graphic, a photo, and a headline baked into it. Then you're getting their interest with that compelling headline, and then also getting to the point quickly, right up front in the copy. You want to highlight the problem, show the pain, reveal the solution, right? All of this gains interest. Now that you got their interest, you have to provide enough information, emotional, compelling words, because we're emotional creatures. And then you have to back it up with enough facts and logic so we can make a safe decision, right? We humans make decisions based on emotion, and then we seek the facts that we need to justify that decision. Once you've done that, then you want to close the loop, right? And trigger some sort of action. Maybe it's a hard offer. Maybe you have an irresistible buy now that makes them click and grab their credit card. Yeah? Maybe it's more of a directive, a call to action, a softer close like subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our newsletter, or go to my website for more information, or give us a call for a free consultation or a free quote, something, right? People who have watched your video all the way to the end are showing an interest, and they deserve more if they want it. So give it to them. Now, action doesn't mean you want to go sell, 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 buy, 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 but you should always make it possible to buy easily for those who are ready to buy. And then there's something to do for those who aren't quite ready. AIDA, grab their attention, gain their interest, compel a decision, trigger an action. It's a concept, a format to keep in mind as you plan your next marketing video or marketing videos. And it's not really a one-size-fits-all every single time. It doesn't have to be rigid, right? Just something to keep in mind. A little track to run on to keep you straight moving forward, and it'll make it easier for you to make marketing videos that sell, which is important. That's why we're making marketing videos. So if you'd like a little support with your marketing efforts, we do offer a 21-day video marketing jumpstart. Just see socialjumpstart.com/join. And hey, before you go, please hit the like button if this was useful and you like it, and the subscribe button if you'd like to hear more, and I will see you in the next video.